Before starting, I request you to watch the video completely so you will have an idea how the process works. You must have a rooted device. Download all the necessary files from the link. First install the Xposed installer APK. As you can see, the Xposed framework is not installed. So you have to flash it through a custom recovery, so move the Xposed framework.zip file to your device SD card. Now reboot your device to recovery mode. Now select install and select the Xposed framework.zip file. Swipe to flash. Now select wipe cache and Dalvik and wipe. After completion, reboot your system. It will take few minutes to boot as you have cleared the cache and Dalvik, so have patience. I have skipped the booting part, it took 10 minutes to completely boot up. So don't turn off your device during the boot. As you can see, the Xposed framework is successfully installed. Now browse through hundreds of Xposed modules and feel free to tweak your phone, but I strongly recommend you to have a backup. I hope you loved the video. Please like, share and subscribe.